In today's captivating video, we're going to break down innovative pricing strategies designed to escalate profits through the sale of high-ticket items. It's a deep dive into understanding why selling more expensive items can significantly boost your income, irrespective of the nature of your business. This exploration is not just about pushing high price tags, but about reimagining the value proposition of your offerings. If you're ready to unleash your true earnings potential, hit subscribe and let's get started. Number 1. Price anchoring. The concept of price anchoring serves as a psychological tactic to set a reference point for prices that makes everything else seem more reasonable. When you first introduce the most expensive product or service, it creates a psychological benchmark, making other options appear more affordable. For instance, showcasing a $13,000 suit first makes a $2,500 suit seem like a more accessible choice. This not only helps in upselling, but also significantly shifts the customer's perception of value. Number 2. Strategic pricing structure. Implementing a strategic pricing structure by utilizing the small, medium, large principle effectively guides consumer choice, positioning the pricing in such a way that the middle option appears as a great value compared to the smallest and largest options nudges customers towards it. It's about playing with perceived value, where a minor price increase from the medium to the large options seems negligible for a significantly better value, prompting more customers to opt for the higher-priced option. Consider a scenario where a vendor is selling popcorn in 3 sizes: small, medium, and large, priced at $5, $10, and $15 respectively. The strategic placement of the medium price plays a pivotal role in influencing customer choice. For instance, if the medium-sized popcorn is priced just slightly higher than the small, say at $6, it appears as an enticing bargain, encouraging customers to opt for the medium size for just a little more. Conversely, if the medium is priced closer to the large, such as 14th, the large size becomes a more attractive deal. The customers are led to believe that for a nominal increase, they're getting significantly more value, thus skewing their purchase towards the larger, more expensive option. This pricing strategy effectively demonstrates how the perception of value can be manipulated to guide consumer behavior towards preferred pricing tiers, showcasing the importance of strategic pricing in maximizing sales. Number 3. Understanding value versus price. The differentiation between value and price is crucial. A key insight shared is that customers are more inclined to invest in high-value deals rather than just opting for cheaper alternatives. The principle is, if the value perceived by the customer exceeds the price, they are more likely to make the purchase. This is evident in scenarios where, if offered a Ferrari for $10,000, most would find a way to afford it. Understanding the value far exceeds the asking price. Number 4. Creating high-value offerings. To capitalize on the concept of perceived value, it's recommended to create offerings that are 10x, 50x, or even 100x more expensive than the current main offering. This strategy involves ideating on what could be included in such premium packages to make them irresistibly valuable, akin to offering a Ferrari for a fraction of its worth. Such high-value offerings not only cater to a segment that prefers premium options, but also elevate the overall brand perception. Number 5. Price segmentation for different customer avatars. Different customers perceive value differently, and as such, pricing should cater to various customer avatars. For example, a solution that provides a 10% increase in efficiency would be more valuable to a business making $100 million a year compared to one making $1 million. Thus, pricing should be adjusted based on the specific value it delivers to different segments, ensuring that customers feel they are getting a deal that's tailored to their needs and worth their investment. Number 6. The psychological impact of the first price point. Starting with the highest price point in a pricing menu or conversation establishes a high-value benchmark. This psychological play makes subsequent lower-priced offerings seem more appealing, effectively employing the principle of contrast to influence buying decisions. This tactic is not confined to any particular industry and works universally because it taps into basic human psychology that assesses value in relative terms. By employing these strategies, businesses can reframe their approach to pricing, positioning, and selling their products and services, aiming not just to compete on price, but to dominate by offering unmatched value. This nuanced understanding of consumer psychology and strategic pricing can transform the way businesses approach sales, leading to increased profitability and customer satisfaction. We hope you found value in this video and encourage you to follow along and let us know in the comments. What's the highest ticket item you are offering?